In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Tricount app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, make sure to download the Tricount app from your Player App Store. So it's Tricount here. It's got over 10 million downloads. Go ahead, download and install it. Now, once you open it for the first time, you will be greeted to this page here where it says welcome to Tricount. Click on continue and you'll be taken to your account. From here, we need to go ahead and click on our profile, bottom right hand corner of the page, and we need to sign in. So we've got a few different ways how to sign in. We can sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, and sign in with email. So what I'm going to do is sign in with my Google account. So I'm going to choose my Eagle account here. And yeah, Tricount, this app is super handy for splitting group expenses, especially for trips, roommates, or shared events. So I'm just going to break down a pretty easy to follow guide here. All right, so I'm clicked on Tricounts here and I've logged in or signed up to my account. Now we want to go ahead and add a Tricount. So click on the blue plus icon and we can start a new Tricount from scratch or join an existing Tricount. So you can use an invite link to join an existing Tricount. So but for this tutorial, I'm going to start a new Tricount. And now from here, I'm going to give this a title, for example, a city trip or roommates or anything. So I'm just going to call this roommates. And then I can change the currency depending what region you want. I'm going to keep it AU because I'm in Australia. Participants is, my name is going to be Tutorial Wiz. And now I'm going to go ahead. And from here, we can add participant as well. So go ahead and click onto that and you can add more here. I'm just going to add Luke, for example, and then say Amanda. And then I'm going to click on create Tricount. Then after that, it will say your Tricount is ready to use. Invite all participants by sending them a message with the invite link or show them an invite QR. So participants to invite is Amanda and Luke. From here, we can go ahead and click on send invitation. So from here, what I suggest is copy this and then paste that to the participants inside of your Tricount. And once you've done that, go ahead and go back to your Tricount. And now once you've added people to your Tricount, we want to go ahead and add expenses. So go ahead and click on the blue add expense button. And then it will say from here, expense, income, or transfer. If we want to add an expense, make sure we're on the expense tab. We can give this a title. Say, for example, I want to call this dinner. And now choose the amount. I'm going to say $150. And then it can say paid by. So if I was the person who paid for it, and then we split this equally by Luke and Amanda 3 ways, so $50 each. You can say paid by, and then we've got the when date as well, and that looks good. So I paid $150. So Luke and Amanda owes me $50 each. So I'm going to click on the add. So dinner paid by me. My expenses $50. Total expenses was $150. Then from here, let's move on to the balances. So let's view balances. And it will say you are owed $100. See how Amanda and Luke needs to pay you back. So you can say Amanda owes me $50 and Luke owes me $50 here. So it's a good way to keep a summary of all the balances inside this app. All right, so I'm going to show you how it'll settle up. So I've got another Tricount here from lunch, and this is paid by, for example, Steve. So Steve paid the full amount, right? So that means myself and Gaz owe Steve to $80 each. So I'll say $80, $80. So if I go back here and click into balances, it will say here at the top of balances, you owe $80 to Steve, and also Gary does as well because he paid for the full amount. And then under that says view all suggested reimbursements. Go ahead and click into that. And then from here, it will say Tutorial Wiz owes Steve $80. So if I paid that, what I can do is go ahead and click on markers paid and then click markers paid. And then from here, Gaz owes Steve's $80. So we can send a request for Gary to owe Steve $80. And if he does, he can either say markers paid or Steve can, and we can keep track of it like this. And if we click on photos, we can also start sharing photos. So add a photo by tapping on the plus to start sharing, which is a pretty cool way to share photos inside this app. Also, if we go down here, we can click on request. So it says here, easily request money right to your bank account. So share a bung.me payment link with your friends. Once they pay you back, the money will arrive on your bank account. So you can go ahead and connect a bank account here. If we go here, click on the free card. So it says automatically add expenses to your Tricount. So you can get a free credit card from Bunk top it up and use it with Google Pay, payments are automatically added to Tricount. So you can click on get your card in 5 minutes or link your existing Bung account. And if we click on profile, this is where we can change our name if we like. So if I click here, I can change my name. We can also add a profile picture. If we click on the profile, we can choose from our photos or take one using our camera. From here, we can turn notifications on and off. If you want dark mode on, click on dark mode. You can turn that on and off if you like. We've got language here. We can change languages if need be. And at the bottom of the page, if we need to log out, you can. And also there's a delete profile button. And if you need to speak to their support, Tricount's customer support, click on this green button here.